Range of motion has two components: the ability to extend your leg so that you can extend it out straight, and the ability to flex your leg. And so they're called extension and flexion. And they're both important. Extension is the first thing that you need to work on. Let me show you why extension is so important. When you walk, it's critical that you put your heel down first and then your toes. And the reason will be obvious when I go up on this rug. If I put my heel down first, my toe doesn't catch. Okay, but that requires that I be able to straighten my leg. If I couldn't straighten my leg, then I bump up against the rug and I can fall. And 25% of all knee replacement patients fall within 1 year of surgery. And that's devastating. It not only sets you back, can cause additional problems like a broken pelvis, and it can lead to years of less than ideal living. So that's critical. When you walk, it's heel, toe, heel, toe. Look at how much my leg is flexed when I go upstairs. Or when I turn around to come downstairs. See, this leg is flexed. If you can't flex it like that, if your toe gets stuck, you're going to fall forward. And you really can't help yourself because the momentum carries you down. Okay, what I wanted to point out was how much you bend your leg when you get in and out of a car. Activities of daily living require you to be able to bend and straighten your legs, so it's nothing that you should leave to chance. You should really use the X10 for its intended purpose and get your range of motion and your strength back so that you can go on living a nice, comfortable, fulfilling life.